Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you study English for your board exam step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and marking scheme. Knowing what to expect is crucial for effective preparation. Next, prioritize the different sections, focusing on reading, writing, and literature. Finally, create a realistic study timetable and stick to it for consistent progress. This structured approach will guide your learning journey. To master the reading and writing sections, practice unseen passages daily. This improves your comprehension speed and accuracy. For writing tasks, always pay close attention to the required format and ensure your content is relevant and well-structured. Additionally, actively work on expanding your vocabulary and refining your grammar. Strong language skills are essential for clear and impactful expression in your answers.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh interior. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Acing the literature section requires thorough engagement with your texts. Read all prescribed books and poems multiple times to grasp their nuances. Actively analyze characters, central themes, and literary devices used by the authors in each chapter or poem. Most importantly, practice writing detailed, well-structured answers to various literature questions. This will help you articulate your understanding effectively during the exam. Consistent revision is key to retaining information. Regularly go over all concepts, literary terms, and important plot points. Solving previous year's question papers under timed conditions is crucial. It simulates the actual exam environment and helps manage your time. After each practice test, identify your weak areas and dedicate extra study time to improve them. This targeted approach ensures comprehensive preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.